Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, Divi released a great new update today. It's November the 12th, 2020, and you need to have your Divi theme updated to version 4.7, and it's for responsive editing. If I enable my visual builder here, and let's go down to the little purple button in the middle at the bottom there, click it. Here's our responsive options. You've got a desktop, a tablet and a mobile, which are the norm. But if I actually click on the tablet one, first thing you're going to notice is it loads a lot quicker. And we've got a lot of different options here up the top and on the side. The first and biggest deal right here is you can actually drag it to see the various options in different screen sizes, rather than just having to click on a few little ones you've got there, and you can see how it's going to pan out on various different devices. Really useful. And of course you can edit everything accordingly. Up here we've now got a custom view. If you click on it, it's got all kind of different devices, popular devices that are in vogue at the moment. So you can click on a device and see how it's going to display on there. There's a little line here, if you notice that line going up and down. That actually is what they call above the fold. Now that's an old newspaper term, that when they used to stack newspapers outside, above the fold meant what was on the top half of the page before they folded it in half. So basically that's what people see. And so that little indicator indicates where the device is going to end there. So that's quite a handy little option as well. So you can adjust things to make sure they're going to be in view. But like I say, there's all kind of different ones here. I'm not familiar with all of these, but that is a really useful little option. Of course, they've got the regular ones there, iPads and iPhone 6, 7, 8. That's great. And up the top, obviously, it displays the width and the height there. Now, if you sort of get to one that you think is going to work for you all the time, you can make it your default for a certain style. So if my mobile was always going to be, I like editing it on, say, 485 pics, you could hit that button. Then every time you go to mobile view, it would go to 486 for you. I'm not going to do that because I quite like the default one. But this is a really huge update. It may not look like much, but when you're editing and want to make sure that your site is responsive on all devices, that is a really big deal. And like I said before, it actually bounces between the various options a lot quicker now, so they've scripted that nicely. And that is really going to help your responsive website design. And of course, responsive design is a huge issue nowadays because so many people view their sites on their mobile phones. So like I say, that's a short little video today, but that is a fantastic update that I'm really pleased about. Before doing this, I'd have to do it in Google Chrome and use the responsive toggle. But now you can do it and you're inside your builder, so you can edit things accordingly. So there we have it. There's a new responsive options just introduced today by the fantastic Divi theme, Elegant Themes people, from version 4.7.0 onwards. So I hope you've enjoyed that today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, ring the bell, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots more coming up. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.